Reshma Totare, working as Assistant Professor in Information Technology Department. In today's session, we will discuss about user agent types, sending email, receiving email, email address, mailing list or group list. First, we will see user agent types. User agents. The first component of an email system is user agent. It provides service to user to make the process of sending and receiving a message easier. There are two types of user agents, command driven and GUI based. Command driven user agents belongs to the early days of electronics mail. They are still present as the underlying user agents in the server. Command driven user agents normally accept a one character command from the keyboard to perform its task. For example, user can type small r character at the command prompt to reply to the sender of the message, or type capital R character to reply to the sender and all recipients. Command driven user agents examples are Mail, Pine and ELM. Modern user agents are GUI based. They contain graphical user interface component that allow the user to interact with software by using both the keyboard and mouse. GUI based user agents are Eudora, Outlook and Netscape. Now we'll see format of email. To send the mail, the user through the user agent creates mail that looks very similar to postal mail. It has an envelope and a message. First we will see envelope. The envelope usually contains the sender address, receiver address and other information. Message. The message contains the header and the body. The header of the message defines the sender, the receiver, the subject of the message and some other information. The body of the message contains the actual information to be read by the recipient. Receiving mail. This is the format of an email. Now we will see receiving mail. If the user is ready to read the mail, a list is displayed in which each line contains a summary of information about a particular message in the mailbox. The user agent is triggered by the user. If user has a mail, user agent informs the user with a notice. The summary usually includes the sender mail address, the subject and the time the mail was sent or received. Now we'll see email address. To deliver mail, a mail handling system must use an addressing system with unique addresses. In the internet, the address consists of two parts, a local part and a domain name separated by ampersand sign. Local part. The local part defines the name of special file called user mailbox, where all of mail received for user is stored for retrieval by the message access agent. Now, domain name. The second part of the address is a domain name. An organization usually select one or more hosts to receive and send email. They are sometimes called mail server or exchangers. The domain name assigned to each mail exchanger either comes from DNS database or is a logical name. For example, name of the organization. Now we'll see mailing list or group list. Electronics mail allows one name to represent several different email addresses. This is called mailing list. Every time a message is to be sent, the system checks the recipient name against the user's database. If there is a mailing list for the defined alias, separate messages, one for each entry in the list, must be prepared and handled to the MTM. If there is no mailing list for the alias, the name itself is the receiving address and a single message delivered to the mail transfer entity. Thank you.